Huh.
Hello guys, what's up? Today it is very good day. You can see. So I am just trying to plow with my brother. I just came to my village and I joined with my brother and it was very good weather. So I reached my home at around 8 o'clock. Then I just took pokhalo, that is very good dish. So then I went to my field side. Then my brother and my nephew was plowing there. So I thought I should join there, and I just immediately got ready and I joined there. So I just remind my childhood days that I was doing like this work. So it was fantastic feeling, very good feeling, and I am very happy working with my brothers and working in the field just like the farmer. And it is the most important thing that our this method is the traditional method of farming, you can see. So like this the traditional method of farming is means it is continuing till now. So and this method is also very good, you can see, but it is very good exercise also. So that I feel very happy, you can see. And as the my village name is this is main village name is Gohandia, and actually the sub village name, actually my village, actually where I am staying there is, that village is not a revenue village. So my revenue village is Gohandia, and my own village name is Sarasposi. Okay, so this is fantastic, you can see. Keep watching this video guys, we will have some fun. Most especially, so it is very good feeling. So guys, keep watching this video. So we have some fantastic moment after the work, you can see. So with the little children, we just have a fun with my two little brother, you can say, just like they are my brother and though they are my nephew, but we just treat each other just like brothers. And after the work, after the plow, we just had a very fantastic fun, you can see. Just keep watching the video. Okay, so this is the scenario of the village, you can see. This is fantastic scenario. So and once if you come to my village, so you feel like that you are in heaven. You cannot imagine that you have and in the village there are beautiful environment and a healthy environment, you can say. This is very good feeling. So I enjoy my day, first day of my village. See, my little nephew was running here and there and playing with his brother. And in this side there is, it is our pond is there. So there are so many trees are there. Here we have put some paddies for the planting them, and it is very good feeling. Just wait for the moment. We have some fantastic moment that we had played in the mud, you can see. This is a fantastic game, yeah, you know. So in the childhood we had doing like these things, and it was very good. And this because we are very acquainted with the environment and we feel very good also. So, and there is a feeling that I cannot express my feelings, that is beyond my explanation. So just wait for the moment. Okay, I am just giving you the views. Just see the views. There are very beautiful scenarios, you can see, around my village and around my fields. And you can see it is very good environment here. Whenever you guys want to come here, you can come. No problems. All the facilities are available here, except sometimes it is network facility is not available. So networks is quite ups and down. So it is no matter, but you can enjoy the environment. Very good environment. I will let you see some of the other very good scenarios of my village. Veteran, today is my first day. Just I am feeling very happy. Okay, so after the first work, you can see the entertainment part of this video, the most entertainment part of the video. So we had just a very good fun with little children and three of us, and most of the fields are empty because I think the peoples of these villages are not working here, but we have some sincerity work, or we had to do plow, and we had to, because my brothers are also very much interested in doing farmer, so they never neglect in their work. So it is very good job, and so we should respect to the farmers, that you can see how much they are taking or how much they are doing hard work to feed the country. So it is very good feeling that I had also joined after very long times of interval. So you can see. So just wait for the or few more seconds, you will see the fantastic scenario of the fighting and the entertainment part of this video. Just wait for the second. Yes, here it's come. Yes, you can see supposed work. So there are something that is called anangam. In our language it is called anangam. So that we are planning doing plane, and we will block the water so that some of the grass will be decomposed in the mud, so that it will grow very good grains. And now you can see it is going to start. Just for a second, wait. So you can see the scenario of the village, and my field now started, it become started. You can listen here.
Yeah, Vindole Nacha.
Okay, so this is listen, just listen it.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है आलम आलम रागा हे 1 2 या उडी मारा हेकुम साब कदिया चे
This little guy is just fallen down in the mud. So he was just crying. So that guy just teasing him. Okay, just see the scenario.
आज्ञा केमती लागुची आज्ञा सर सर केमती लागुची सर सर केमती लागुची सर केमती लागुची सर ए सर Hey, lutur tak boleh na, lutur tak boleh na.
ସାର୍ କେମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି ସାର୍ ସାର୍
See the scenario. This is very fantastic, very funny. So that little guy is playing in the mud, and you guys know there is nothing that some people are thinking that if the little children are means playing in the water or in the mud, they will get something different disease or vagara vagara. But that is totally
ଏ ସାର୍
wrong. You can see
Kenta laguchi?
this guy is totally
କେମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି ସାର୍?
just like bathing in the mud. You can see. But there is no problem. See, it is fantastically well. It is very good, and there is no disease, nothing at all. So we are just working in the field barefoot.
ମାନେ
You can just enjoying the moment, and there is nothing to be means just hate the environment. Just this is the very good environment that we are, and these children are very much acquainted with the environment, and they do not have any kind of disease with them. If they will take bath whole day in the ponds, then only also they will never get disease. So this moment was fantastic, and thank you so much, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get new videos like this, just entertainment purpose. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
ଏଠି ବାଜେ ହଳକା